Hello everyone, let's have a look at how to create WooCommerce Product Enquiry Form. Go to the Settings tab inside WooCommerce tab. Click on a Product Enquiry Form tab, and go to the Enquiry Form tab to configure further settings. Option to add reCAPTCHA to the default form. Add site key and secret key to add reCAPTCHA. You can edit or delete already created inquiry form fields. Click on a Add Field button to add new form field. Here you can select field according to form requirement and configure all other field-related options. Let's have a look at the front end. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, feel free to contact our support team.